What's up, everybody? It's Christy here with OpenHome, back with another ability spotlight, showcasing what our awesome developer community is creating on the OpenHome platform, showcasing our creativity, ingenuity, tons of cool capabilities about what you can do and what you can build with OpenHome. So today I'm really excited about this one. This is one of my personal favorites. So far up in the series, we showcase things that have a little bit more utility to the end user, but what about having some fun? So today I'm really excited to showcase the Jeopardy ability. So in this case, if you ever wanted to play Jeopardy, you know you got to pick a specific category and a number of points. You can compete against each other or with yourself and your own trivia style knowledge. And I think this ability is really cool because it showcases a little bit more creativity, what you can do with OpenHome abilities with pre-recorded sounds, how you can have advanced multi-instructional type conversations that are more on Rails, and really just showcase the creativity of what our developer community can create. So let's jump right into it, shall we? All right, so I'm back in the OpenHome marketplace. If you've been following this series, you're familiar with this screen. So as always, we're going to scroll down to our abilities section. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and search for Jeopardy. You can see here we can have our Jeopardy ability. We're going to install it. We're going to go into our abilities. We're going to click installed abilities. Here you can see I have the ability installed, and our trigger words are Jeopardy, play Jeopardy. So if I say those trigger words with any OpenHome personality and conversation, it's going to go ahead and trigger this Jeopardy specific experience. So we're going to jump into the OpenHome personality.
Oh, hey, how's it going? What brings you here today?
Play Jeopardy.
This is Jeopardy! Now, here is the host of Jeopardy!
Welcome to Jeopardy! We have 5 categories with questions worth 200 to 1,000 points. Available categories: history, science, geography, literature, sports. Choose a category and point value. Now, history 400.
So you can see here, this ability had a pre-recorded sound, set the mood, bring up the theme. The theme here is Jeopardy. You can hear the iconic theme song. And then we have 3 questions here that explain the instructions for the user, basically, in this case, how to play the game. So we are going to select a category and a number of points, and let's see what happens, shall we? Literature 200.
For 200 points in literature, this Shakespeare play features the line, "To be or not to be."
Hamlet.
Correct. Your score is now 200. Available categories: history, science, geography, literature, sports. Choose a category and point value. History 400.
So you can see here, I answered the question. In this case, it was correct. Shout out to all my literature folks out there. And then it's keeping track of my score. It knows I have 200 points now. And then it's going to bring up the categories and then let me to select another category with a stated points value. So we'll try one more. Let's see if maybe we get this one wrong and see what happens. History 400.
For 400 points in history, this ancient wonder of the world was built as a tomb for Egyptian pharaoh Khufu.
Pyramid of Giza.
Correct. Your score is now 600. Available categories: history, science, geography.
I really like this ability because it showcases a lot of developer creativity. It really shows us what we can do with preset voices and how we can create a more thematic experience. And it really is like a really fun and entertaining experience that you can create for users on OpenHome. So really shout out to the community members that created the Jeopardy ability. Thank you so much for your attention, and thanks so much for checking this video out. I'll see you on the next one.